Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Credit Repair Sweep coming to you with our latest method. In this video, I'm going to show you um, our latest service, which is called the TransUnion Credit Sweep. And what we're doing is we're removing 100% of the negative items in less than 2 weeks. Yes, you heard that correctly. In less than 2 weeks, we're removing 100% of the negative items. We're performing this at 100% success rate. We've done this on over 35 files in the last 2 months. And again, we have 100% success rate on this. No one online is doing this. Stay to the end because this is going to be a quick video, but stay to the end. We're going to talk about a bonus on top of this. So let's go in. As you can see, today's date right here, October 7th, 2024. You can see the score 777. Right here it says your scores was at 506. You added 271 points so far. We're going to go to score tracker so you can see the before and after. We started on this file right here around September 8th. Yeah, a little after the first week of September. As you can see, we tried to pull it on the 18th. It was still low. By the next day, September 19th, the score was at 738. So it went from 554, 554 to 738. Now he's at 777. Again, so what we're doing, as you can see, October 7th, 2024, what we're doing with this service with our clients is we're letting them know within 30 days, we can get you some serious funding. So we'll clean up the credit report, the TransUnion report in under 2 weeks. Then we take them in for funding if they have a good amount of trade lines. We take them in for funding. Say they get 50 or 60K in personal funding. They have enough money to buy an Age Corp, to buy the business trade lines. We take them in for business funding. On average, we're getting our clients between 200 to 300K in business funding. If you follow our page, you can see we've been doing this since 2010. We've been in this game for a long time, so we know what we're doing. But once again, the proof is in the pudding. As you can see, the score jumps up from here to there. This is a real serious service right here. So if you're real serious about moving forward, reach out to us. You can send us an email at info@creditrepairsweep.com, or you can go to our website, creditrepairsweep.com, fill out the contact form, reach out to us, and we'll get back in touch with you within 24 to 48 hours. Once again, good luck with your credit, and we wish you much success.